If you're getting a sign-up error on X, formerly Twitter, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, like a suspicious network, bad DNS settings, a corrupted DNS cache, or even a temporary outage on X's servers. The good news is that most people can fix it in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's try the network switch method. X can sometimes block signups if your current internet IP address looks suspicious or has been flagged. To test this, disconnect your computer from your home Wi-Fi. Then, on your smartphone, turn on the mobile hotspot feature. Once the hotspot is active, connect your PC to your phone's hotspot network. After that, open an Incognito window in your browser and try signing up again on X. This simple switch often works because it gives you a different network identity and can bypass the error. If that didn't solve it, the next fix is changing your DNS settings. Sometimes your internet service provider's DNS servers cause connection issues with X's authentication servers. On Windows, press the Windows key and R at the same time. Type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. This opens your network connections. Now right-click your active internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and choose Properties. In the list, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4. Select the option that says use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server box, enter 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS server box, enter 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers, and they often help fix sign-up and connection problems. Click OK, close everything, restart your browser, and then try the X sign-up process again. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is clear your PC's DNS cache. Over time, your computer can store old or broken internet routing data, and that can cause sign-up loops or loading problems. To fix that, type CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. This clears out more network-related issues. When you're done, restart your PC completely. Then go back and test the X sign-up page again. In many cases, this is enough to get things working normally. Now, if the website on your computer is still not cooperating, you can bypass the issue using the mobile app. This is one of the easiest workarounds because sometimes the desktop site has problems while the app works fine. Download the official X app on your smartphone. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is turned off and use mobile data instead. Then create the account directly in the app. Once the account is made successfully, go back to your PC. Open x.com and log in with the new account details. This method is especially useful if the browser version is being blocked or keeps timing out. There's one more important thing you should always check, and that is whether X is having a server outage. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device at all. Go to Downdetector.com and search for X. Look at the reports graph and see if there's a spike in outage reports. If there is, that means other users are also having trouble, and the best solution may simply be to wait until X fixes the issue on their end. So, to quickly recap, if you can't sign up on X, try switching networks, change your DNS to Google DNS, flush your DNS cache, use the mobile app on mobile data, and check for any outage reports. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another X or Twitter issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.